Hey guys, so we're talking about our April special, which is our liquid laser. We're super excited to start offering this service. So this is a hair removal service. 4 treatments is what's recommended, and you want to space them out 2 weeks in between the services. We're going to give you guys an aftercare kit that will help your skin as far as healing and getting prepared for the next treatment. This erodes the hair follicle each treatment, so you have less and less hair. So it depends on how dense your hair is to start, and 4 treatments is a great place to start. You can add more after the series is done if you do have a little bit of hair left. This is 100% painless and it takes about, what do you think? How long does the service take?
Usually about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how your hair comes up. Again, it's painless, so you don't feel anything during it.
And you can do every area of the body. So you can do underarms, you can do facial hair, legs, back, happy trail, bikini, Brazilian, any areas really of concern as far as like hair growth.
Things you need to know for post-treatment of the liquid laser is just avoiding tight and abrasive clothing because your skin is going to be really soft. Utilizing that post-care kit because you want to make sure your skin heals optimally. So all the things in there have all the nutrients and amino acids that your skin's looking for.
And then as far as pre-care, before you come in for the appointment, you want to be just cleansed and moisturized. That moisture will create just a barrier on top of the skin, so the product can really focus on eroding that hair.
Also, have your hair about 1/4 inch long. Same with like waxing. We just need it to be a little bit longer so we can erode it down in the follicle, so it's in that right stage of hair growth to come out.
Yeah, if you're interested in this service, definitely stop by the studio or book an appointment online. Thanks.